What does it mean to chop? Let's see the action. What is he doing? He is chopping the tomato. Hello again, everybody. Today I'm going to show you 5 verbs you will hear when people are cooking. So what is a verb? Well, a verb is a word that shows an action or a state of being. Let's look now at the first verb. People do that when they cook. It is to slice. So let's see the action. So what is she doing? She is slicing the cabbage. And that's what it means to slice something. It's an action verb. Slice, slice, slice. And now for cooking verb number 2. Chop, chop. What does it mean to chop? Let's see the action. What is he doing? He is chopping the tomato. Chop, chop, chop. And now for cooking verb number 3. Warm. So, what does it mean to warm something? Now, when we are warming something, we are making it a little less than hot. So maybe your food was in the fridge, but now it's too cold to eat. So we need to warm it up. What is she doing? She is warming the food. Cooking verb number 4. Boil. Boil. To boil. When a liquid like water becomes very hot, it starts to make bubbles. That's when it's boiling. Let's look at that. Oh, look. It's boiling. It is boiling. That's what it means to boil. And now for cooking verb number 5. Fry. Fry. To fry. Well, to fry means to cook something not in water, but in oil or in fats. Just like that. Just like that. She is frying something. So that was 5 cooking verbs for you. Please subscribe and join me next time for more videos. Thanks for watching.